So hello, welcome to another coin opening, and today is 26th of May, so this video will go out probably in a few weeks. So what I like to do is actually just when I get mail, I just like to make a video on their openings. And the first thing I got is this rather beat up 1959 Hong Kong $10. So this is actually the first issue of the smaller denomination. Before this they're actually quite big, and it only cost me a few dollars, but these are actually quite hard to get. The watermark is looks like a Roman soldier, so I still haven't found out what that watermark who it's supposed to represent. And then you have the HSBC building, where the old one that's in Hong Kong doesn't exist anymore, it's been knocked down. And you have 10 in traditional Chinese, but most of it's in English. And then you have Hong Kong, and you have the bank name up there in traditional Chinese, Cantonese as well. So that's nice. I like old banknotes. And then I have some coins. So this is from a coin seller I quite often buy from. Screw that, just cut it open. And this is, oh, that's right, an Irish coin set. So a few of them have fallen out. And what do we have here? 20 pence. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than actual the UK. 1998, so that would have been in circulation just 4 years before it was actually taken out. And a 2 and 6 pence. As you can see, it's in Irish. This one's 1959. So that is a nice coin. I was looking at his coins today and I realised that the Irish coin sold, and I'm going, damn, I must have missed out on it. Not knowing me, I just forgot that I actually purchased it. So I was the one who actually bought it. Alzheimer's is pretty bad. Okay, so here we have a 10 avos. This coin I don't actually have, 98. And Hong Kong coins do circulate, but the Hong Kong 20 cent, which is equivalent to this, is actually quite different. So that's actually a nice coin. So I will. Then you got the 10 pence, that was equivalent to 1 florin in the Predecimal series. And this was replaced in, I think, 1990 or 92 with a smaller coin. Okay, so I've sorted out the coins, taken them out. So I've got Predecimal Irish, Decimal Irish, and these two coins here. So a 1 and 2 euro cent. These are quite common coins. All these coins from Ireland have the Irish harp on it. And here's the 2 euro cent. Not bad. And as you can see, it has a nice security feature. That's just to distinguish it from the other coins. Okay, then we have the decimal coins. So we have the, so I think this actually looks better. So we've got the half pence, the 1 pence, and the 2 pence, and this is actually designed from the Book of Kells. I have made a video of Irish coins before, so if you look in the actual playlist, you can actually find it. And then we have the 5 pence, so we have the smaller one. What date is that? That is dated 92, they actually changed that. And the larger one, as you can see, has a bull and facing different ways. Then we have the 10 pence, that is 94. So I think they changed the 10 pence in 1990. And as you can see, they also changed the actual fish, the way it's rotated. In 86, they introduced a 20 pence, different size than the actual UK coin, so it differentiates it. They never actually changed the size of the actual 50 pence, so they kept that to 2002, and it actually has a bird on it. Can't remember what bird it is. Then we have I think it's a red deer on the £1, as you can see. It's a large coin, different than the actual coins from the UK. And quite obviously, they use the euro now, so their coins are just totally different from the UK. So that is just the way things change. So here I have the actual Predecimal coins. So you got a halfpenny. They never actually issued a florin. You got the 1 penny, the threepence, sixpence, 1 shilling, 2 shillings, and 2.5 shillings. And as you can see, I've got the 1 shilling and 5 pence. There's the bull. So the design is pretty much the same. No, it is the same, except the denominations change, and these would have circulated for quite a while after they actually changed over. And the same with the florin, equivalent to 10 pence, because the florin's 1/10 of a penny, of a pound. And the horse on the 2 and 6pence was actually reused on the 20 pence. So 20 pence coin would have been 4 shillings, so 2 florins. And as you can see, it's a nice design. Then we have a dog on the 6pence, a rabbit on the threepence, a bird on the 1 penny, and a pig on the actual halfpenny. Oh, and these are all base metal, so in the 1940s they actually changed over to copper nickel instead of silver. The threepence and 6pence have never been silver. It's only the 1 and 2 shilling and 2.5 shilling that actually were issued in silver previously. Another thing you will know is that the earliest coins had the Irish Free State in Irish. So 1928, this is the first year of actually minting their coins. And later on, I can't remember the date, they just changed the name to Ireland. So Ira, that's just Ireland in Gaelic. And then we have the actual coins of Macau. So we have 3 series here. So Macau's actually issued 3 series. So here's the first series issued from the 50s and 60s. Then we have the second series, which was issued late 70s, early 80s. Let's have a look at the date. 82. This one is 82 as well. And this one, 88. So this is the 80s series. Then in the 90s, they issued the actual current series, and that's actually the best series that you can see on these coins. So the 1960s is actually pretty simple. We just have the coat of arms. So we've got a dragon on this side and the Portuguese coat of arms. Here we've got Yapman or Mun for Macau. And on this side we've just got the Portuguese coat of arms. And then we have the 10 avos. So it just has Yapho in Chinese. Portugal, 10 avos. So 1 pataka equals 100 avos. And on this side is just the country name, Onwun in Chinese, Macau, and the date and the coat of arms. So you've got a dragon there with the Portuguese coat of arms in the middle. So Portugal actually controlled Macau since about 1600s, but they didn't actually issue coins up until 1952. So it's just a small territory. They would have used Portuguese coins and probably Hong Kong coins as well, and coins from China. As a lot of them were silver, so Macau could have got away for quite a long time without issuing their own coin. So the second series for the 10, 20, 50, the main feature is just the denomination in Chinese. And on the 1 and 5 Pataka, they actually didn't issue a 2. You got a fish, 2 pairs of fish. This one's got a Chinese dragon, which is a bit different than the European dragon. Oh, sorry. In that it actually doesn't have wings, but it can fly. And on the back, we have the coat of arms of Portugal. So we don't actually have the coat of arms of Macau anymore, it's just the Portuguese one. Then we have the best series of coins that Macau issued. Was issued from 1993. So here we have that Chinese dragon that they use in the Chinese dragon show. So here it actually is being used. Looks like a Chinese dragon. There's a tongue. There's the eye. Could be wrong about that. Let me have a look. And then we have a guy on a boat, so it's boat racing. Then we have a lighthouse. Can't remember what these are. Probably in the southern islands. And here we have that church. It's only the actual facade, and we have a junk boat. So actually quite good. A lot better than the actual coins that they actually issue in Hong Kong. And another good thing about these coins is on the back you have Macau in Latin in the middle, then you got O Mun in Chinese, and it actually looks quite nice. And then you just got the date. So it's actually a very well designed coin, and Macau should actually be proud of these coins. So anyway, I hope you like this unboxing. Just a review of the coins of Ireland, and if you're interested, I have made videos before. Just look in the playlist for country Ireland, and I'm not too sure if I've actually made coins videos of Macau. I know I've done of their banknotes, but I'll have to look into that, and in future videos I will make some more on Macau. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy coin collecting. It's actually a very good hobby, and have an awesome coin collecting time. Thank you, and bye bye.